Today I'm gonna be going over today's trade. It was pretty simple, not gonna lie. So when I first got on the charts, the first thing I always do is come to the 4 hour, and I may look at the daily. Sometimes, but for the most part, I come to the 4 hour, and I don't know if you all know, but it's there's equal highs right here, and I also made a video on this trade. No, I didn't make a video, but I had a screenshot of this trade. But that's for another time though. But anyway, so we took these equal highs right here, and we also coming out of a 4 hour for value gap to the left right here. So now we still had this sell side down here. We we came pretty close to this low. I've been trying to get this low like forever, like all week. We came pretty close to this low right here, and we didn't hit it. So after taking these highs and delivering from this fair value gap, I know I definitely did want to go short. So the bias is pretty obvious. It's clear. Shorts. Well, you have to really gauge price action. I'm not gonna say it was just obvious just yet because you just never know because we could have easily inversed this 4 hour, and then if we would have closed up here where this gray box is, well, let me turn this. If we would have closed up here where this yellow box is, then I would have wanted this high right here, and also this is Nvidia earnings high. So, but we didn't. So um that just led me to think, okay, I want lower. So knowing with that being said, I just dropped down to a lower time frame. Kind of gauged the 15 minute. I'm like, okay. We swept this high right here to the left, and oops, like I say, we're also coming out of this 4 hour to the left. So what I'm gonna do is look for an entry now. So that's pretty much what I did. I dropped down to the 5 minute, and I don't know if y'all could see it. I'm gonna give y'all time to see the trade I took, or let y'all find it right quick. Put in the comments if you could see what I took or what you think I'm about to point out. But I took this trade right here, this short to this low. So basically, even on the 3 minute, it's obvious right here. The 2 minute, we got it, and on the 1 minute, we also got it. And I knew if we closed back below this right here, this little CISD, that we would more than likely run lower, because these act as an order block. So once we got the close below, I'm like, okay, we should just dump. And as you can see, just straight down candles. We didn't even really have a green candle. One candle we did, it was an order block. So yeah, pretty simple trade. Me personally, I took the 5 minute, the 1 minute close, the 1 through 3 minute close earlier than the 5 minute. But let me tell y'all why. The reason I waited for the 5 minutes, because for one, it didn't close right here. Like, we didn't get the close until like this candle. So my entry was really right here. My fault, y'all. But I got in a little early. But on if you go to ES, we had these equal highs right here, and I thought we were gonna take it. I wanted to take it, sweep these equal highs, then get the short. So just to be really careful, I waited for the close on the 5 minute. I waited for every time frame because we had equal highs right here, and it just would have been a better spot. I'm not gonna lie, because these equal highs are sitting inside of a 5 minute fair value gap right here. Um, so if we would have like just came in, took these equal highs outside of this fair value gap, it would have been a better spot to short, in my opinion. Because at least on ES right here, we're not coming out of no fair value gap. At least on the lower time frame. Let me see. Oh, we coming out of it on the hourly. That regarding lower time frame delivery, I just wanted to see these equal highs get swept and delivered from this fair value gap to the left. So yeah, I just was patient. I just waited on the 5 minute, to be honest, and just executed. And yeah, pretty simple. We were also in what, premium, so we were pretty high in the range to liquidity, delivery from a fair value gap, clear targets, and also goes along with bias. So that's all y'all really need, to be honest. Like, trading is not, I'm not gonna say it's not hard, but it doesn't require as much thought as you think. Even like little things, you may see people with all these volume bars and all these random lines on their chart. Man, you don't need that. Like, I could literally trade without nothing on my chart. I have a blank chart and still be just as profitable, if not more profitable than those people with all those things on their chart. So don't feel like you have to have all those things on your chart to feel like a professional trader. If I'm being honest, most professional real traders don't have that on their chart, all those random things. So yeah, y'all could just have just be aware of, if you're in premium, discount, delivery from fair value gap, liquidity sweep, and clear targets and bias, and you could trade the inversion fair value gap model. That's really pretty much all it is to it. Yeah, man, I believe in y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. I'm gonna catch y'all next video.